Very good morning, our beloved students. Today, let's take up the next chapter, that is chapter number 7. The title of the topic that we will study now is An Extraordinary Achiever. Extraordinary, as you know, the labeled of a person's skill, technique, spirit, endurance, all qualities above the normal level. That is extraordinary. Above the normal level or the normal limit. That is known as the extraordinary. Achiever is the inflection of from the word achieve. The root verb is achieve and its noun form is achiever. The person who has won or who has gained something over a hard work or a difficult work or a troublesome works, then he is the achiever of his target, of his goal. Today, we will discuss about the extraordinary achievement of a person. That person is none but our famous astronaut, that is Sunita Williams. At the beginning, let's start with the points which are given at the beginning of this topic. The quest of human beings for the unknown makes call to the spirit of their extraordinary capability. Whenever a person wants to achieve the highest or the biggest target or the goal, then he or she has to have some kind of extraordinary capability. Here, capability covers all the qualities, that is endurance, perseverance, and techniques, skills, talent, and so many abstract and some concrete capabilities and some other traits. All these things are covered under this capability. Such kind of human talents, inherent potentials, all these things are taken as the capability of a person or a thing to achieve or to hit the target he or she wants in his or her life. Then, now let us read an account of an astronaut, that is Sunita Williams. Sunita Williams, as we know, is a famous astronaut, and she had a lot of parts in varieties of faculties. Today, let's discuss about her life story and her achievement in an extraordinary manner. In this world of the present or past, so many people are there and they want to achieve the highest level or to make the highest goals realized. But most of them fail, and only a few persons had achieved their goals or their targets. Among them, Sunita Williams is also one. And now, let's continue. Sunita Williams is a woman of many parts. Why is she called the woman of many parts? She was a naval aviator. Naval aviator, you know, an aviator in the sea. And helicopter pilot, test pilot, naval diver, swimmer, and marathon runner. And now she is an astronaut. and the world record holder in spacewalking. After Neil Armstrong, the USA astronaut, the famous astronaut, she has now able to keep the world record in spacewalking. What is mean by the term? I mean a man of many parts. Why is Sunita called a woman of many parts? Sunita Williams is called a woman of many parts because she was involved in many important and big tasks in her life. As a naval aviator, as a helicopter pilot, as a test pilot, naval diver, swimmer, and marathon runner. All these things are very tough and troublesome tasks, but he could succeed in all these faculties, in all these fields. So she is regarded as a woman of many parts. And now she has become an extraordinary woman in keeping world record in spacewalking. Why has Sunita been regarded as a woman of many parts in a particular field? She is regarded as a world record holder just after Neil Armstrong and some other astronauts, particularly in spacewalking. What is meant by spacewalking? Spacewalking is the type of walking where the man's weight is reduced to zero. You know, a person should be a weightless person in spacewalking. If he or she has her own weight in the space, then he can never move, he can never walk in space. For this purpose, Sunita practiced so many difficult and troublesome tasks to reduce herself, to enable her to walk in the space. So she could keep the world record. Okay. After this, look at from another angle. She may be regarded as an ordinary person who has translated her extraordinary potential into reality through sheer hard work and positive attitude. She had many qualities. She had many extraordinary capabilities. Among them, it may be mentioned one thing, that she had an extraordinary potential. Potential, you know, that quality which has been kept hidden in the mind, in the body, in the heart of a person. That is potential. That kind of potential, in case of Sunita Williams, it was a very extraordinary potential. That is, she had an extraordinary potential. Those potentials had been translated into reality. Those extraordinary potentials may be taken as her dream, as her ambition, but all those extraordinary potentials had been translated, had been turned into reality in her life. That's why she had an extraordinary capability, and she could keep world's record. Okay. And one more thing is that she had a very potential for hard work, and as well as her positive attitude. Positive attitude means she is a person, she is a woman who always think in the positive side, in the affirmative side, not in the negative, and not in the retarding sense. Always is always positive in her life, throughout his life. She has tasted success by steeling herself in to go that extra mile to explore her personal limits. Every person has his or her own limit in her dream or in her ambition. But in case of Sunita Williams, she had the extraordinary capability or dream to go beyond the limits of her life. And for that purpose, she turned herself in steeling, just like a steel in alloy which is very hard in her muscles, in her bones, all her organs were turned to steel, just like a steel who is very hard. And she wanted to go beyond the limits of the Norman limits or levels of other persons. She tried her best to cross or to go just beyond the limits of the Norman people, Norman beings. Sunita captured the imagination of the world during her sojourn in space for more than 6 months by setting a world record of spacewalking by women through 4 spacewalks, totaling 29 hours, 17 minutes in 2006, expedition to space. As an introduction, she is introduced like this, that Sunita Williams imagined that one day or another day in her life, she would be able to have the capability to walk in the space. During a period of 6 months, she walked in the space four times. In 6 months, she had her spacewalks 4 times. At that time, she had her walking in space, and if we to tell them, it rises to 29 hours and 17 minutes in all. In the 4 expeditions, in the 4 journeys, sojourn means short stay at a place. Sojourn, she had a total time of 29 hours and 17 minutes. Who other astronauts could never keep such kind of records. So she is regarded as a woman who has the capability to keep such kind of world records. And she performed this troublesome and this difficult and very tough expedition in the year 2006 in space. She achieved all this with the support and the encouragement of a close-knit family and friends. She could keep such a kind of world record. Who supported her in such a task, winning the world record? His family, very close-knit family members. I mean the members of her close-knit family, parents, that is mother, father, and the siblings, his brothers and sisters. And moreover, her friends, with the support and the encouragement of her close-knit family members, mother, parent, father, siblings, and her friends supported her and encourage her. Only from that point of view, she could keep the so much famous world record. Today, now let's continue for a little while. Today, Sunita is exploring space. Space, as you know, the upper portion, I mean the atmosphere, space, but the root of her aspiration had been planned deep by her parents and the siblings. Such kind of her ambition and the imagination, I mean dream was planted deeply rooted in her mind and heart. By whom? Her parents and the siblings, mother, father, and the brothers, sisters. All these closely knit family members supported her and planted that kind of root of thinking and the imagination in her mind. Okay, who gave her the wings to fly? If we want to fly, then we have to have wings. Wings, those wings with the help of which a bird or an insect can fly. All the wings, I mean the two wings, were given by her parents and the siblings. Who gave Sunita Williams the wings to fly in the space? If you are asked like this, who gave the wings to Sunita Williams to fly in space? Then we have to answer, her parents and the siblings gave her the wings to fly in the space. Okay. Then Sunita was brought up in a loving family that nurtured her inherent talents and supported her while she worked hard to compete in the excel. At that time, Sunita had an inherent talent, and she was brought up in a very loving and peaceful family. In a very peaceful family, with their help, she worked very hard to compete in all very difficult and troublesome competitions, activities, and she could excel in the competitions. She could stand top in most of the competitions she was involved. Okay, for today, let's stop here and let's continue in the next class. Wishing you a happy and prosperous student life. Thank you very much.